Christian Dior. This is the Lady Dior large size, old version, silver hardware. Comes with entropy and strap. Ayan, ang ganda ng kanyang body. Very puffy pa yung mga kilts. There. Ang ganda oh, kahit old version to, ang ganda. And then complete yung charm, DIOR plus the leather tag. Ayan, that's the front. And then this one is the side. Here. Tapos yung kanyang likod. Ang ganda oh. And may film pa yung ibang hardware dyan. And then likod. Ayan. See, ang ganda oh. Puffing puffy. And then the other side. Ayan. Tapos yung bottom. May mga superficial scuff siya. Yan oh. Superficial lang naman. Pero ang ganda pa nito. And then the corners. Corner 1. Corner 2. Corner 3. And then corner 4. Yung lips walang crack. Yan. May superficial scuff here in this area. Ayan oh. Tapos yung cooler niya there. Tapos loob ng bag. Okay na okay pa yung handle. Loob ng bag. Malinis yung loob. May zip pocket. And then yung strap niya, it's removable but not adjustable.
No adjustments.
Ganyan. So, pwede siyang shoulder bag.